loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a story time, and I don't remember when was the last time I did a story time video. I know it's been a while. I'll put like my most latest one up there. And I mean, look at my nails, aren't they so cute? They're actually like glued on nails. They're from the Kiss brand. They're like little Halloween inspired nails. So yeah, since you guys know I can't get my nails done, I'll just do them on the weekends. I mean, that's pretty much. So this takes back in middle school days. I believe it was my 7th grade. So yeah, you guys know about the Charlie pencil thingy where you put the pencils in there and you ask Charlie, are you there? You know, that was like really popular, like what, 2 years ago, and it was all over YouTube and I don't mess with that. No, I do not mess with that. I do not mess with Ouija boards. I do not mess with anything devil related at all. As you guys know, some of my previous storytime videos, you guys know I caught a voice on my voice memo on my phone. Fuck that shit. Like, no. So pretty much what this story is about is similar to the whole Charlie type of thing, but I was not involved in it whatsoever. It was mainly most of my friends. I think it was only a couple of us that didn't participate at all. Either we didn't even see or we just didn't participate, and some of them that I know of, actually 3 of them, did play the game, and all the other ones were just watching, but they were still affected, including myself, even though I didn't watch and I didn't play. I think the only reason why I got affected was of how scared I was about it, and knowing that they were doing it, I was like, no. Anyway, so the whole thing is they use 3 pencils and they do it like that. Yeah, 3 pencils, they do it like that, and it pretty much, you could do it with your fingers too. I'm not going to demonstrate because I don't want y'all to be doing it, but yeah, it's pretty much like the Charlie. So you go like that, and the other person is a 2-person player. The other person's doing it too, and they go like that and all of that, and you ask questions, and I don't remember if the inside is yes and the outside is no or what. I don't remember the rules, but the thing is that they will ask questions, and if the pencil moves either way, it means yes or no. And yeah, so my friends were doing it for a couple days. I don't remember how long they were doing it for, but they were doing it for a couple days, and they were asking questions, and I guess there was like a little demon or something, or the spirit they were talking to. His name was Miguel, the other one is Charlie, and the other one, I forgot what was the other guy's name. So the thing is that they were playing the game, they were asking questions, they were talking to one particular one, I don't remember which one. So yeah, and here's the scary part. One of my friends, who I won't be naming at all, she told me, like during that time, she told me that she was like in the bathroom, and she was like, because they were doing it near the bathroom and like near the lunch tables. So she went to those bathrooms, she did her business and stuff, and when she was about to get up, she felt someone was holding her from her ankles like to the ground, like not letting her go at all. I'm like,
fuck that. I am not messing with that. I'm out.
and I didn't even go in the bathroom for like a couple days, to be exact. I would go to the bathrooms all the way to the buildings, all the way, because that's how scared I was. I don't mess with no demonic shit, even though I'm so into the whole paranormal YouTube community. I like watching scary movies, I like all of that. I just don't mess with that. That's how I am. No. Anyways, so that happened with her, and then one of my friends, who again I will not mention name, actually got really into it, and everyone else like just wanted to stop, but she was really into it. And there was one point that me and one of my friends, like, I would either pick her up from like where she lives, because like I would pass her house like every time my mom will drop me off to school. So she would be outside waiting, and I'll pick her up. And then when we got to school, she told me one morning that the night before, our friend that was really into the game, like called her like at 3 a.m. And you guys know that 3 a.m. it's the spirit demons time, or whatever you like to call it. It's pretty much when the demons like to play, like come out and play, pretty much. So that friend called her at that time, saying like, I guess like she told her like,
oh my god, like this game is so much fun, like are you guys having fun? I can't wait to go back and play it, and all of
that. And my friend that I was talking to, the one that we picked up from her house, she was like, what? Like, no, it's not, because it was starting to get scary for them. And then she's like,
okay, well I'll see you at school the next day. I have to take a shower.
And that friend, the one that was with me, she told me that was really weird. Like, why would you take a shower at 3 a.m.? Because at that time, I mean, everyone would go to sleep early. So she was all like, that was kind of weird, don't you think? And she's like, yeah. Well, I told her like, yeah. And she's then like a couple minutes later, that friend that called her arrived. And then my friend asked her like, do you remember anything that happened last night? Like, you called me and you said all of this, like telling me that the game is so much fun and that you took a shower, that you were going to hang out because you were going to take a shower. And she responded with,
no, I never called you. I was sleeping at that time. I was already sleeping.
So when she said that, my friend and I, we just looked at each other like,
bitch. Like, was she possessed during that time? Like, what?
so we were kind of confused at that time and kind of freaked out, to be honest. So yeah, so that was pretty much the most scariest time that happened to us related to that game, because my friend that told me all of that, she actually saw them playing, but she didn't participate. She was just like watching. I, like I mentioned, did not see, and I didn't want to participate as well, because I, like I said, and I repeat myself, I don't fuck with that shit. So I got affected because I was scared, like I said, and I slept with my mom for like a couple days straight, and that's how scared I was. I had to sleep with my mom because at that time my dad wasn't present and my brother was in school. So no, I ain't sleeping by myself, and at the time I didn't have Max either, so it was scary. It was really scary. To be honest, I don't remember like around what time they stopped playing that game, and I don't remember what happened towards the end. That was like the only part I do remember, like what happened between those two friends and what happened to my friend in the bathroom during that time. Shit's scary, especially if you feel someone holding you tight from your feet. That's something I'm like the most scared of, like when I'm walking up the stairs and like there's like a gap between each stairs. You know what I'm talking about? I'm scared that like I'm walking up and someone just grabs my legs. That's something that's really pretty much it for this Halloween story. I'm sorry if I'm out of breath, because I am out of breath. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that Halloween story. I do have one about La Llorona, so if you guys want to stay tuned and hear about the Llorona, just wait for the following video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.